Stick to the right. Good job, dog. Let's have a sit over here. This is my favorite rest spot, actually. Oh, a big pile of dog shit. There's a big pile of dog shit. I did a nozza right into it. That's so funny. Let's put our bikes over here. I ain't trying to sit near the shit. How's the Serenity, mate? I actually kind of want to swim in it. You know what I mean? I see enough dogs in that swim in it and drink out of it because it's clean and it's moving, but should I get nude? Should we get nude? Probably not. God. All right, so road apples, nice and easy because it is Sunday. Oh my God. So ridiculous. Now there's all grown foliage here. Low tree. That's kind of fun though. Oh, back tire got off the ground there. So grippy in here. Right up. Oh. Isn't that fun? Flowy. Jesus, that was dicey. Oh, mate, we are cornering better today. Oh. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh, I'm glad that's there. Oh, fuck me. Yes, dude. Yes, dude.